Alright, hey YouTube, this is Bree 101 and I'm coming today because I got my full sale Launchbox and this is what it comes in. It's not really heavy, it's not that heavy. I finally got it, it came today. I just got in from work like an hour ago and I was watching TV with my mother. So I'm just getting around to filming this video, so let's open it up. I'm so excited. Alright. And if anyone wants to know, my major is entertainment business. And I'm doing it online, by the way. Alright. Packing list enclosed. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, so you get Logic. I guess that's for if your computer is ever stolen, you can track it. So that's what that looks like. This tells you what comes in it. I get my MacBook, Adobe CS5 Master Collection, Logic, Office for Mac, and QuickBooks. And this right here is the online startup guide for Full Sales Launchbook. And I guess that's basically telling you how to set up everything on the Mac. I already went through my orientation and everything, so that's done. So all I have to do now is put the software onto the Mac and play with it. I'm so excited. This, I believe, is the QuickBooks in this little envelope, cardboard envelope. And this right here is the Microsoft Office for Mac. And the last thing in this envelope is Adobe CS 5.5 Master Collection for students and teachers. Alright, I'm going to put that over here. Oh God, it's so beautiful. I'm such a nerd. Oh God. It's like a feeling of happiness and nervousness for starting class. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. I haven't even opened it yet. So I'm going to cut the seal, and by the way, this is the box. Now this is a little heavy. I don't know if it's just the box or if the computer is heavy itself, but this has a little weight to it. And you see MacBook Pro. God, I'm so lame. Okay. Oh my God, this is, oh yeah. Oh yeah. This has weight to it. It's so small and skinny. You don't think it's heavy, but this is heavy. It's heavier than my Alienware. That's what I'm filming on right now. But this is laptop, and it came with the charger, and a booklet that explains how to use the Mac and everything. So that's my video. I'm about to go play with it. Okay, bye guys.